Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you fidgets that I got from the dollar store. So, I haven't done like a fidget unboxing in a long time, so let me show you the first thing. I only got two things. Let me save my favorite thing for last. So I got this like super cute, like squishy, really cute. I got this. I'm gonna open. I do not want to get scissors. I'm never prepared for opening videos. I never get scissors. But actually, the last unboxing I did on this channel was my pop tube stick. That was my dream fidget. Anyways, try to get this open. And it says slow rising. Okay, so I finally got it open. Or did I not? Oh my god, I cannot open this for the life of me. Okay. Okay, after 100 more years of loud plastic, and I finally got it open. Here it is. And oh my god, guys, it's so soft. I used to have like so many squishies. I don't know where they went. Like, no lie. I had probably like 18 squishies. But anyways, here it is. Let's do the first squish. Very intense. Oh. They weren't kidding by slow rising. It's pretty good. It smells good. Wait, is it scented? Yeah, new scent. It's scented. Oh my, guys, I was very excited for that. It smells, oh my god. Okay, guys, I am way too hyped for that. I always just smell squishies. Like, if you watch Purple Stars 02, you know she smells everything. I am the same. Like, I smell mochis. Every fidget I get, I smell. Oh my god. It smells so good. Okay, enough smelling it. Now for the next one. Wow, I said I was gonna leave these. That is so cool. Receipt. I got a water snake. I've been wanting one forever. I don't know if the price is on this one. I don't know how much that costs, but anyways, yeah, I got a water snake. I have been wanting one. I had one. Funny story time here. I had a water snake, and it was pink. My friend gave it to me. This was like a couple of years ago, before like I had my channel and everything. And I had one, and I was at my grandpa's, and we were sleeping over, me, my dad, my aunt, everyone like that. And we were all watching a movie, and it was a pink water snake, by the way. And so anyways, whoa, and I was playing with the water snake. I was squishing it, and then it popped. And it went all over my face, my pajamas, everywhere. And to this day, y'all, that couch has a little pink stain. Anyways, time to test the water snake. Come on. It's not that slippery. Oh god, jeez, as I said that, it fell. Oh my god, that scared me. I heard my comment like, no, we're gonna prove you wrong. I love it. Okay, now time to rate these fidgets. So this has Orbeez. Jeez, it's super slippery. Has Orbeez and water. I really roasted this thing, and it came back. It's like, know what? No, we're gonna prove you wrong. It has Orbeez. It's very satisfying. I love it. This gets a 9 point. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It's really cool. I love it. You could shake it, and you could feel the Orbeez moving around. This gets an extra point. It gets 11 out of 10. Because first off, it's slow rising, and it's scented. After this video, y'all, if you're wondering, what is she doing while she's posting this video? I am squishing this fidget and smelling it. So, yeah, this is such a weird, this has been like 4 minutes, I'm almost 5. This has been a very long video, for 2 things, but thanks for watching, and bye!